Hi, and welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, December 23rd, Monday, December 23rd. I'm Giovanni Benacourt. This is a recording by Vantage Markets about an hour before the U.S. session opens. All right, well, stock markets are open much of this week, of this holiday week. Tomorrow, it'll be half a day, and on Wednesday, it'll be closed because it's Christmas Day. But that doesn't mean the traders expect much to happen anyhow. A period of peaceful reflection may be just what the doctor ordered after last week's ups and downs. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, the S&P 500, and the Nasdaq all rallied more than 1% on Friday after the latest data from the Federal Reserve's preferred inflation gauge came in softer than expected. Still, that's not enough to make up for the drop seen after the Fed said Wednesday there will probably be fewer interest rates cuts next year than previously anticipated. And this week shouldn't be nearly as dramatic. So the stock exchange is only open half a day again tomorrow, and it's completely shut down on Wednesday. So what can we expect then? A low volume, you will be stuck in a trade. So best scenario is just to look at something with more volatility, like the currencies, because the indices are going to be pretty much flattish, as we see here for the Nasdaq, as we see here for the S&P, which is actually just trading right above a level of resistance, or right around that level of resistance. So what can we expect? The same, just sideways trading, choppiness really. And then we have the Dow, which is kind of in the red, but again, it's just going to be really, really flattish. So keep that in mind. Crude oil is having, a range between the 50-day moving average and the 20-day moving average. So let's see if that will be, we'll have some more volatility in it today. Again, tomorrow it'll just be half a day anyhow. Nat Gas is the one that is trading lower. It did open with a strong gap up, okay, and it's trading down now. Let's see if it has rebound from the upper Bollinger Band. So therefore, let's just raise our levels of resistance: 380, 390. So let's see. Friday's low, and just let's leave that same level there. So take it with a grain of salt. I will be trading. Here we have gold. That most likely will close the year above 2,600. Okay, so let's see if this little fluctuation to the upside will give it more volatility as the day progresses, or will it just be flattish also? So keep that in mind. Then we have silver. Silver is just also open with a gap up. It fluctuates to the upside, but again, low volume in this days anyhow. Copper, look at copper. Okay, also it fluctuates to the upside so far. Let's see if it'll hold or will it close in the red. Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is rebounding off the lower Bollinger Band as we speak. Let's see if it'll be able to sustain itself north of 95,000 towards. Let's see if it closes the year around or above 100,000. Then the currencies are just also choppiness. The euro looking to sustain itself north of 104. Let's see if it'll be able to do that. The pound is looking also trending lower. So let's see where it will end. And then our index is recovering itself from Friday's fluctuation to the downside. So if it does continue to move to the upside, it'll put pressure obviously on the currencies and the commodities. All right, have a great trading day. It's going to be very quiet next few days.